Alright, here are the contenders. Here are the contenders. The 12, and one of you will be the winner. But the special award goes to no. Our first special award is most beautiful singing voice. Oh, yo, guys. Oh, yo. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful ang. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful on to pass singers, huh? I'm going to eliminate, and one of those three will be third, second, and first place. So next one is the loudest. Pero kung di ni loud sa era, I'll say quiet. So most loudest or loudest. Wow. What is the loudest? Well, singing only it is. The most babae tanta. Oh my god, what did I just say? Alright, most loudest voice in the singing under. Next, outstanding performance. Yes. We'll get to the next. Wow! Wow, take the one singing on the it's near Maka, limited singing on the pisti. Alright, singing on the it is outstanding. Yep, I'll end the video. If it is mispronounced everything that I just said in one video. Alright, singing on the it is outstanding performance. Next, ang pinakamagandang beats and notes. Alright, who it is going to be? Feeling ko back house yan ah. I will change it. Okay, my speaker said, so second come. I said, most outstanding beats. This one is Wig. No one is Wig. That's one. Because of all wigs are Girls Kitchen singing laundry day. Oh, adi. You know, which one do I really want to pick? Fan Sari Store. Oh, ikaw naman on most outstanding beat. What did I just say? Mispronounce end the video. Go on. And now for the final award. Performance task. Grade is 98 or 99 for my video. Joke lang. I say go on. Best in singing. Sige guys, best in singing 98 or 99 tag US house. Now on to the next video, which is eliminate 9, and those 3 have in common because they are going to rank in third to first. This normal back loud and also singing on the place.